We go with the Panchakarma in Kaumara Bhritsya. This Panchakarma in Kaumara Bhritsya, when we are going to start with, we have to make out one thing. Who is Bala? What is the definition of this child? Did this child mean? What this child mean? मैंने बोला था भीम मिडिल एज्ड था, यव्वना, at the age of the 80 in Mahabharata. अगर 80 years is the middle age, what will be the child? Who is the child? Nakula and Sahadeva probably they are children, kids. The Kaumara Bhritsya is a specialized branch of the Ayurveda. It is much more importance after the Kaya Chikitsa. Kaya, Bala, Grahordhanga, Salidam, Bala is the second place. A child or Kumara adolescent, the three words are there with both conditions, with the developing state of the tissues, in which the psyche and body maturity is one of the most specific thing to point it out, is not witnessed in the children. The dosha elimination through the Panchakarma require a special attention for the childhood. This childhood, biologically, a child is a person between the birth and the puberty. The United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child defines the child as a human being below the age of the 18 years, unless under the law applicable to the child, majority is attained earlier. Here, some of the nations still they have up to 20 years also nation. They say Bala. Otherwise, we can classify these age groups as neonatal, up to 1 year, toddlerhood, up to 3 years, early childhood, up to 7 years, that is 3 years to 7 years, and middle childhood with the puberty, otherwise up to that in between 7 to 12 years, and adolescence is from 12 years to 18 years, or otherwise, if the government is going to say 21 years, it is up to the 21 years, that is otherwise legal adulthood. The Ayurveda childhood, whether Ayurveda has given any definitions of this childhood, Kashyapa is a very specific to make it out, and about the Bala Chikitsa and Balaroga. The Kashyapa Balya defines up to 16 years of the age. He categorized as a three stages. Garbhastha is right from the fertilization till to that of the birth. Even the Garbhastha Sishu also to be considered. That is also Sishu. And Bala and Kshirapa, who is dependent on the milk from birth till to that of the 1 year. And Kaumara, from 1 year to that of the 16 years, he has made as a Kaumara only. Charaka defined up to 16 years of the Balya. No subclassifications are being given. Susruta said 16 years. Here he defined based upon the consumed food and Agni. Kshirapa up to 1 year. Kshira Annada 1 year to 2 years. And Annada 2 years to 16 years. This is age commonly being. In South India, elders. Here, I would like to focus each and every Panchakarma, how these children's special glimpses have been focused here. Because as a person of the Kaya Chikitsa speaking about the Kaumara Pritcha, people are going to show what sort of the rights you have to speak about our Panchakarma, Bala Panchakarma. Nowadays, there is a very beautiful things are being developing. Initially, when I studied Ayurveda, at the time, Kaya Chikitsa and Panchakarma are together. The Kaya Chikitsa Panchakarma has been differentiated. Later, A recent classification of this Panchakarma. Kaya Panchakarma, Pancha Panchakarma, Bala Panchakarma, Shalya Panchakarma, Shalakya Panchakarma. अच्छा हुआ द्रव्यगुण पंचकर्मा रसशास्त्र पंचकर्मा नहीं आया. Anyway, Sri Panchakarma is there already with. That means the people are trying to adopt. This is a procedure, specialized procedure. That is the reason even the CCM also nowadays, they club this Kaya Chikitsa and Panchakarma together. There is a discussion also. Panchakarma people, rights are being taken away. Where are the rights, first of all? No rights, everything is only left. Here the Sneha Karma in children. Vagbhata recommended Brahmana Sneha for the children, especially in the hot climates. Whenever there is, that means all summers, in any summer, especially Brahmana Sneha is to be given for the children, those who are underaged or underdeveloped. Number 2, Charaka told Hrasva Matra, which will digest in 2 yama 6 hours for children, which do not or doesn't give any complications and it facilitates the unction, strength, tissues, etc. to be given. Hrasva Matra. Once again, the quantification is based upon the agree only has been made out. Vagbhata undertake Sajja Sneha for the children. Here the Sajja Sneha is the Salvana Sneha. Next is the Sweda Karma in the children. Kashyapa preferred Avastika Sweda for the children. According to the temperature conditions, strength and disease status. Here the Avastika Sweda we can understand as a local Sweda also. Need not go with everywhere or entire. Kashyapa classified 8 varieties of Sweda Karmas. Hasta Sweda, Pradeha, Nadi Sweda, Prasara Sweda, Sankara Sweda, Upanaha Sweda, Avagaha Sweda, and Parisheka Sweda. Hasta Sweda is indicated till to 4th month. And Pata Sweda, this is using the cloth, is after the 6 years. This Pata Sweda, holding the cloth dipped in the hot water and squeezed out, is going to be spread on the surface. This is commonly done by the Kerala practices. Common practices of the Sneha Swedas in South India is different. My province, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. What we commonly do, the photograph what I have shown is my granddaughter. Abhyanga with the Tilatailam for 45 minutes. First, every day there will be a massage and exposure to the sun after that for 30 minutes. After that, hot water bath for 30 minutes. 30 minutes practically hot water bath. The temperature of the water usually it is in between 40 to 45 degrees temperature. What it makes the peripheral vascular circulation. Thereby the nervous system development is going to be facilitated. And after that, Dhupana with Agarudhuma and lactation is being given and the baby practically sleeps 4 to 6 hours even. They grow. This procedure is going to facilitate peripheral circulation and neural network development. And it makes the milestones of the baby to be regulated. Difference of the Panchakarmas, what we are doing from the adult to the children. Why the difficulties we are getting is children usually they are not cooperative. Children are delicate and not well developed. Children's skin has underdeveloped sweat glands and delicate soft skins. They have immature organs, especially kidney and liver. They cannot withstand so much of our alkaloids of the different herbs. Thereby, we have to reschedule this procedure. When we are doing the Virechana Karma with the children, Vamana karma with the children. We have to understand what actually how it is going to be. The drugs, mode of administrations, duration, frequencies also we have to calculate. As per the condition, dosha vibhagas or the dosha status, age and maturity, severity and deshakala prakritis we have to observe and we have to make it out. Most of the times what is going to happen here is these children, we say they are not cooperative. Most of the times we are not cooperative for them. The factors of the limitations we have to understand are the Kaumara Vriksha Panchakarma or the Bala Panchakarma. Aparipakva dhatus, that is underdeveloped tissues. Ajata Vyanjana is underdeveloped with puberty or the maturities. Sukumara, delicacy. And the people are going to have, they are unable to speak out their pains and agonies also. And inability of talking and activity. Thereby, we have to make out passive panchakarmas rather than that of the active panchakarmas. The vasti karma in the children, when we are going to make out, it is like a nectar, amrita is going to be there. Vasti is administered from, can be administered from the birth onwards and selectively after 1 year. And Parashara has suggested to have the Vasti after the 3rd year and the Bhela after the 6 years. Kashyapa concluded that the boy who can walk and eat normal food is fit to have the Vasti. Just now I said, we are going to make ourselves in South India habituated the children to consume normal foods from the 2nd year onwards. Thereby, this Vasti karma in the children is being given very commonly, comfortably, always, all the time. And whenever this is conversation gone with, Parashara suggested that the Vasti is to be given only after the 3rd year and should not be given well before to that up. And Bhela said it is to be given after the 6 years only. But ultimately, Kashyapa has concluded that the Vasti has to be given for the boy who can walk and eat normal food. Here, normal food is whatever the food is consumed by the adult of that particular province. If the same food is being undertaken, and when the boy is going to have the sphincteric control, this is the most important. When the child is going to have the sphincteric control, at that time onwards, the Vasti is to be given. Otherwise, if there is no sphincteric control, the people are going to, where the Vasti is not going to be useful. Procedure for this Vasti in children, when we see, first, Sneha Mardana, otherwise, Sneha is applied all over the body. Ushtajala Parisheka is to be given, and Ushta Bhojana. These are the things which are being commonly being said for. Anuvasana Vasti is to be given very first, and after 48 hours only the Niruha Vasti has to be given. Here the time schedule, like Yoga Vasti when you are planned, in between the Anuvasana Vasti and the Niruha Vasti, the time gap which is being given is the 48 hours. Why they say is, from smaller to regular quantity on empty stomach, and after complete digestion of the previously taken food only to be given is the condition for the Niruha Vasti. Why the 48 hours after the Anuvasana Vasti is, the child gut is so delicate, the fat which is being ingested as a per rectal administration of the Anuvasana Vasti, it is unable to be absorbed in toto and it takes the 48 hours. And second thing, as the Dalhana states, Kayagni Ushma is going to make the Pachana of the Vasti Sneha. This is the statement as per the Vasti is concerned. Pachakagni Ushma. The question is, what is this Pachakagni Ushma? If you are going to see the physiology book, many of the enzymes which are going to act in the colon are being produced in the stomach. There is a very good sequenciation of the enzymes where they are being produced, where is the activity of these enzymes are being there in the physiology book, very specifically goiter and other things, which you can see it. Here, the production of those enzymes in the pediatric area or pediatric group is a smaller quantity, which do require a minimum quantity of the sneha, which is administered as a anuvasana vasti to be get digested. It is going to be there on the intestine, that is the large intestine walls, for 48 hours to be get absorbed. That is the reason why this after 48 hours of the anuvasana vasti, only the niruha vasti has to be given. Then the virechana has to be given. This virechana, when anuvasana vasti can make tissue deprival and vishama avastha also, instead of making the exactly brahmana what is being anticipated. If excess of the anuvasana is going to be given, it can cause the jadatva or the frigidity and immobility of the srotas. That is the reason why the sneha matra in the vasti of the child is very specific. Even 30 ml, which we are going to give the matra vasti like in elderly people, that is also not going to be a compatible dose for the child. That's why we have to go with a very, very negligible amount of the vasti. I usually stop this pediatric panchakarmas for the past 25 years once I am in the academics. That's why I should not comment on. But usually a 10 ml is very sufficient quantity for the pediatric people. Now here, the anuvasana vasti with the oil, usually we are going to prefer the children in the general practice also. The virechana, for the virechana, we do not want to go with the much of the things. Only a tamarind, which is going to be crushed and pulp, tamarind pulp is being inserted in the anus, that gives a very comfortable virechana. And otherwise, at the maximum, 1 teaspoon of the castrol is being given. That is going to be good sneha virechana, which is going to be done for the children. Otherwise, we go with the milk of magnesia. This is a very good and comfortable virechana. If at all the vasti, anuvasana vasti, we don't go with the anuvasana vasti, we go with the enema. Most common things in the children is the constipation is going to be get developed because of the milk powder which is being used for the children. That is other than that of the mother's milk which is being used. To make a processing, usually we say little soap has to be added for the milk so that it is going to make the pachana very fast enough. If there is still constipation, many mothers do not give even the water also. That's why the constipation is going to be developed because of this milk powder and other outside milk for the children. Here, what we are trying to make out is, there only we are trying to give a little laxation because Dugdha itself is a good laxative. The question comes for the very specifically people, those who are mentally retarded patients, or otherwise the people, those who are having the Balapakshaghata or the otherwise with other different disorders, polio-like. These disorders, when we are treating, Anuvasana Vasti and Niruha Vasti are the Vata Vasti Krama in the either in the format of the Yoga Vasti or Karma Vasti, Kala Vasti is by number is going to be necessary. One thing is very specific is if the Anuvasana quantity is going to be excess than that of the pediatric weight, that boy is going to get the frigidity and it is going to give the Sroto Rodhata is being said here. Now let us see how this Vamana is going to be done. This Vamana Dravya indicated commonly are of the Katapala, Nichula, Sirisha, etc. This Vamanopaka Dravya is also going to be there. The Vamana, when it is going to be used along with the Madanapala, Avacha, Pipali, Saindava, and etc., Vamaka yogas, only one thing, as I was speaking about, the sphincteric control is the most important for the either the rectal administration of the Basti medicine or the Virechana karma. Like the same, the person, the boy who is able to expel it out, When I was working, when I was interning in long back after 40 years almost, I was posted in the Nilofer hospital. A small boy who was vomiting. He is vomiting worms, nematodes. He is defecating nematodes. He is vomiting nematodes. When that means his totally worm infestation was there. This person, we require a vidanga. We require the vamana with the materials. See here, the question is how he is only 1 year boy. The vomiting tendencies which are going to be there because of this worm infestation is horrible to see even. How the boy would have been felt it. The mother is holding the worms and pulling out and throwing out. That was the condition. And this Vamana karma to perform in a child, the child a minimum has to be having an understanding of what is being done. If what is being done to the individual, if the patient could not understand, do not force the children or the adults even for the Vamana or the Panchakarmas. They have to have a minimum understanding what is going to be happening. Here, Arishta is being advised after the 5 to 6 kala, and Vriddha Kashyapa has got a different notion and advised to add the chakra in any of the Vamaka Dravya. It is question of the palatability. Even I add the Madhu and also Shakara even in the adults Vamana karma also. Because this palatability is being made by the Vriddha Kashyapa comment. The Virechana is the second aspect, which is a passive, very comfortably can be given once there is a sphincter control. Just to see the sphincter control is there. If the sphincter control is not there, it is going to give rise to Guda Brahmsha. And after 15 days of the Vamana Karma, Virechana is being advised. Virechana yogas, you can choose accordingly. And with butter and cream, here the Sasneha, here the butter and cream is being given, then that of the other things. Otherwise, I am giving with the Ghrita. Even this butter and cream, even for the elderly people also, what you can make out is Trivrut and butter. You can just give on the morning toast. Let the very comfortable toast is there and apply the Trivrut Avaleha, apply butter and little shakra over it and jam and put it and give them. Very comfortable Virechana is going to be there with. If you require, put some soap and Triphala Churna as a condiment over it. And this butter and creams are being given for the children, especially for the Virechana yogas. And while doing the Vamana, getting Virechana or the vice versa is Ati Yoga, which you have to follow it. Nasya in the children. In fact, I have seen a video. One Japanese mother is holding a pump of water, putting on the one side nostril, pushing it, and it is coming all the phlegm and accumulation from the other nostril. This is a very comfortable. I was really fascinated with. Even for the Nasya Karma, why don't we do it? It is otherwise like Neti Dhauti of this yoga kriyas, it is looking like. But all that nasal obstruction has been removed within no time. A little salt and water can be used. Here, this Nasya Karma as a Shodhana. It is clearing the nasal passage, thereby it is also, once again, we have to take it, we can very comfortably use this Nasya Karma. And Apamarga, Ishwaku, Pipali, Lashana, Shirisa, etc. Here, the Lasana usage is said to be the Pipali usage is said to be the one of the most important. This Lasuna and Pipali, they cannot bear it. If at all it is being given, always better to be given as in the form of the oils only. Second is the Purana, to remove the kapha, as I was speaking about this, putting a bulb of lukewarm or the mild salt added water, cleansing everything of the oral cavity and nasal cavity is very comfortable in the children, which could be done as a nasya for the children. Next, Murti Taila Chikitsas. This is one more difficult thing because to hold and to keep the child in the position is a very difficult. Further, either the understanding of the patient student must be there with. And Murti Tela Chikitsas, when we are doing Siravasti Pichu, some of the things can be made out, but Dhara is really difficult. And at the time, it is preferred as a Sarvanga Dhara instead of the only for the Shirodhara. So it depends upon the withstandability of the child also. And Bahya Upacharas of the Panchakarmas are performed in the same way. Otherwise, we are going to have a very much difficulty being raised with these children to keep them in a position for the 30 minutes and 45 minutes. The simple common conditions which are going to come across in the children, emaciated or undernourished child. This posture, it requires the sneha and adaptability of the sneha vicharnas is the better one here. And it requires Annalepa and Shashtikshali Pinda Sveda as it is a generalized and all over the body it can be done with little cry and hue. And the second one is Pratisyaya or the nasal discharges is the common condition. It requires the cleaning and also Nasyakarma that can be done very comfortably. Third is the Udara Krimi. It requires the regular Virechana along with the Krimi Hara medication or the Vedanga especially is necessary. And constipation and low motility of the intestines is the common thing. For that, we are going to give Bastikarma or otherwise the Virechana also. Best is lukewarm water with enema or the Triphala, Gandhara Haritaki Kwatha. Most common thing is usually the children, whenever they are getting the fever, we put the paracetamol, this thing, that thing, that thing. Commonly, every mother is going to put the same paracetamol liquid or the syrup. But I just say a small appeal. Before to giving this paracetamol, give a lukewarm water enema, leave him for 1 hour, measure the temperature after 1 hour, 99.9% of the cases are going to become normal. Temperature will be immediately normalized with a simple lukewarm water enema or once you are going to relieve the constipation. And the diseased Panchakarma when we are going to make, I just want to comment, whenever we are treating in the Panchakarma area with the IVDP, I don't know what sort of the protocols you are using. I use the Patikashaya protocol. How many of you are aware of this Patikashaya? Please raise your hand. Patikashaya. Did you heard this word at all? Anybody hear this word Patikashaya? My goodness. Okay. The Pati means droni. Pati means droni. When we are making the patient, in inviting the patient on droni, as we are inviting on the droni and sitting on the droni patient, we are going to give a warm welcoming drink. This warm welcoming drink is Gandharva Haritaki Kwatha. This Gandharva Haritaki Kwatha he is going to drink with a cup of Gandharva Hari 40 ml, usually minimum dose, along with 1 glass of water lukewarm. The patient, once he is going to be completing the 45 minutes of the Abhyanga, his bowels are going to be already active, and we are going to make the steam for 15 minutes, 1 hour. He just rush for the things. And when we have this IVDP patient, first we are going to have the Kativasti, then the Abhyanga. That means total together 1.5 hours. Out of this 1.5 hours, this Gandharva Haritaki, comfortably it is going to make its action. The patient, as he is going to evacuate himself, the lumbar pain is gone. Check it out. We doesn't require much bigger things. If you are making a proper intervertebral massage, I don't know how many people are acquainted with the intervertebral massage. There is a special massage of the intervertebral massage. If you make the Kativasti and after that intervertebral massage and steaming all over the body, the patient after 15 minutes, even without giving the Gandharva Haritaki Kwatha, he is going to defecate. Once he defecates, the sola is going to be relieved. Spastic back or spasm, very comfortably can be relieved. If you give Gandharva Haritaki, effort is doubled up and more result. Here under the diseased Panchakarma for the children, common diseases we are getting the polio, the musculoskeletal we treated with this Abhyanga, Sweda, Shashti Shali, Pinda Sweda and Basti Karma. For the special children like mental retardation, autism and delayed milestones, etc., we go with the Abhyanga, Shiro Pichu, Shiro Lepa, Shiro Dhara, etc. Nasal respiratory condition, asthma, cold for the Vamana and Virechana, this is required understanding of the patient. Skin conditions like infectious conditions, ulcers, etc. For the Vamana and Virechana, Virechana passive can be given at any time. And worm infestation, roundworm especially, is going to be with Vamana, Virechana and Krimihara Chikitsa. Vedanga is the most important. Otherwise, we are going to with the Krimi Mudgar Rasa, Krimi Kutara Rasa, Vedanga Rishta are to be used. To conclude this Bal Panchakarma, the dosage is one of the most important thing which we are going to regulate for the according to the baby weight. There is no change of the indications or contraindications of the Bala and adult Panchakarmas, child and adult Panchakarmas. But one thing which we have to understand is, see the fitness of the patient. As we are looking with the same thing, the rectal sphincter and cardiac sphincter for the stomach, both are that sphincteric action of the child. If it is of the perfect and controllable, then the Panchakarma can be given. Otherwise, the Bhakya Panchakarma, Bhakyopacharas, Abhyanga, etc. can be given very comfortably. The dosage which we have to check it out according to the by weight. Usually we give the Madana Phala for the Vamana Karma 3 to 5 grams, Madana Phala Pipli. 3 to 5 grams. 5 grams is a very big dose. 3 grams usually sufficient for. And for the child, how much you give? What I suggest is, instead of going for this Madana Phala yogas, as in the morning speaking, mechanical actions and chemical actions like that, such things which we are going to make it out is the comfortable thing. And duration according to the age also to be summarized. We cannot go with the 45 minutes. Many people say, do it. It cannot be done even. We have to regulate the timings also. Selection of the palatable medicines also being necessary, and procedural precautions are to be taken in a very specific conditions. So as this conclusion, as we are going to come out, we have to make it out how better this Bal Panchakarma could be made out. As usually present today, the Bal Roga Vibhaga is going to take them in their own charge. We may not be required, but many a times it is going to be under our responsibility. If they are doing any mistake, or if they are asking assistance of ourselves, we have to make these Bal Panchakarma specialists to assist with our specialized knowledge of the Panchakarma. So as such, here is the things with the Bala Panchakarma.